Hi everyone, this is number 4 book in the books that I've been making in the last few months. This is a book about angels. I'll show you the front and the back, show you how I did that when I'm done here. 5th of February, and I'm pretty sure I finished it around about the 8th, so 3 days. And this lovely lace here that I've had. I'm pretty sure actually that my sister from Holland, when she was out in the 1990s, she gave me a whole bunch of stuff. And this is one of her laces, I'm pretty sure. This is the Winged Victory that's on a ship in a museum somewhere. Your angel will come with you. It's nice to think that there is something watching out for you, but I just love statues and pictures of them and stories about them. That is from a book of mine, and this is a bird book that I picked up from the op shop I think a few weeks ago. Black and white, gorgeous pictures. So I just cut this bird out here from the bottom and put it the other way up the top. Tree from the same book. I love this book here. Angels and Cherubs, stained glass pattern book. I've had this for 25, 30 years and haven't done any colouring in it, but I thought these angels belong in my angel book. This book, it still has the pictures in the back from it. It's about an artist called Willie Gilly, and it's a soft cover book, and I just kept it. I thought, I don't know why, because I was about to get rid of it a few years ago, and then I kept it, and then I thought this would be great for this angels book with these pictures just in the background and putting the cutouts on top. So you can sort of see some of them behind there. See that? Yeah. The angels are the Magnificat. This is from a magazine, just a little statue. It's really a fairy, but I thought I'd put it in the angel book. Now what? Washi tape. See the picture behind her? That's part of the book. Thought the colours went really well with that. This is from a magazine, so I didn't keep the picture from behind. That was part of the book. And just cut this angel out. A few little white dots and things in almost each picture with my Posca pen. The Posca pens are water-based, and so they don't smell or anything, and you can actually write with them over the top of anything, so they're very handy. Jacob wrestling with the angel. These are all pictures from an old Bible book that I've got. Lots of angels that I thought I'd nab. There's this picture, double spread painting by Willie Gilly in the background. This one as well. I just really think it's nice to, if there's something that you really like, it's a topic that you can use in a book like this, in an altered journal. And it sort of consolidates what you think about life and think about things. Time. I just put the white dots around that. Centered her. I seem to like its symmetrical stuff. There's something about symmetry that I really like. And so I like to put things and then repeat it over here and then have this match with that, this match with that. Sometimes it doesn't match, but basically I'm a bit of a symmetry person. I love that angel. She's beautiful. What a statue. Imagine making that. Wouldn't you just, she's had a crack there. Wouldn't you just love to be able to watch the sculptor at work doing that? Picture of a tree that I photocopied on my new laser printer. some stickers. This is a decal, which is something that you've got to put water on and then slide it off onto a cup or a plate, but I just cut it out and glued it. Little sticker. Saturn. That was already in the picture. I just glued that picture on there and glued that picture over the top of the painters. There's the back. These lovely flowers. Now, the story about this angel, and she's called the Monteverdi angel. Stunning angel in the Stagliano cemetery in Genova, Italy. One of my most favourite places to look at, whether it's with Google Earth or looking at pictures on the internet. Stunning angel, and there she is again. Now you can just see the dust on her, and there is a group from America that goes to the Stagliano cemetery and is renovating and restoring all these statues, because a lot of them, the dirt and the dust is actually eating into the stonework and destroying them over the centuries. This is 2 centuries old, this angel, and I just think it's marvellous that they're fixing them. But the way these statues turn out, this is not one of them from that cemetery, but the way they turn out is just like glowing white. Stunning. This is another angel from that cemetery. There she is. That's how they turn out. To think that you could be in that cemetery centuries ago and see these wonderful 16th, 17th, 18th century statues just glowing there. Stunning. Anyway, she's beautiful. The Monteverdi angel on the Aneto gravestone. You can just see the name underneath there. She stands there. Totally amazing. Powerful angel. Thanks for watching. Bye.